Shilo's watching the karaoke show with me. Good old Shiloh. She said hello. Oh, Shiloh, look what you did. Oh. Now how am I going to fix that? What button did you press? Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Alright. Let's see it, please. Shiloh's a good girl. Good kitty cat. August 1st, 2014. What are you doing? Oh no. I guess she's trying to dig herself to China, because she's on the top of the China cloud. What a silly kitty cat. Yes, those of you that have asked, there is a blue light over me. See? There's a white light there, and that one's blue. See how it makes the room change color? See? Shiloh cat. Okay. I'm watching the karaoke show right there. I have to mute the sound when I make a video because YouTube flags it. So, that's weird, but they do. So I mute the sound now. Somebody's afraid they won't get paid their royalties. I'd let my cat bite him. I'd let her bite him right on the butt. And scratch him too. Let's see it, please.